Hello everyone! So this is my penny haul. So me and my friend went to Dollar General store. So there is new Dollar General store in our area. And we only found some penny candies and arts and craft for kids. And they don't have fall decors because it's a new Dollar General and most of the items is in regular price. They don't have clearance aisle also. So even we scan those items that we saw in other YouTubers that did their penny haul, it's regular in our area. But I got 60 items for just 60 cents. There's a lot of Easter candies in the store. But our daughter don't eat candies also, and I will just give it away to the kids that playing around in our neighborhood. So the first candies that I got is the Queen Anne Classic Good Days Cordial Cherries Dark Chocolate with Coconut Flavor. So it's 10 pieces. So this is penny also. And the expiration is March 5 of 2022. And the UPC is his. So it's made in USA. So I might try one of this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dark chocolate with coconut flavor. So it's penny each. And then I got also this Easter bubbles for a penny. So this is the UPC. So I got 2 of this. The one is pink and the other one is blue. So my daughter loved playing with bubbles. And I got this DIY foam shapes cross also. So this is penny also. And the UPC is this. So all Easter decors and arts and craft candies are penny. Then I got books also. I got 2. The one is the Story of Noah. So this is nice books for kid. And this is a penny also. And the UPC is this. And then we got another one, the Story of Joseph. So this is penny also. And the UPC is this. So inside, this is what it looked like. So it's like a board book also for kid. And you can remove this part. So I got 2 books. And then I got this Easter Bunnies chocolate also for a penny. And then this is the chocolate covered marshmallows bunnies. I got 2 of this. And the UPC is this. So it's a penny also. And I got 8 Tootsie Roll candies. So this is a penny also. So these Tootsie Rolls remind me of my childhood because we live in a province in the Philippines and we cannot afford expensive chocolate or candies, and Tootsie Rolls is cheaper in the Philippines also. So going back to my childhood, we used to eat the Tootsie Roll candies. And I love the canister of it. So I got 2 2, 4, 8 of that. And then I got also the crunch egg. I got 4 of this for a penny also. And the expiration is November 4 of 2021. And this is the UPC. And then I got M&M's. I got 1 of this. This is the UPC of that. Then I got also this Bunny Crisp. So this is the UPC of that. So I got 1. And then the other candies that I got is the Cadbury Milk Chocolate Mini Egg. So I got 3 of this. And the expiration is March of 2022. And then I got Black Jelly Bird Egg for penny also. This is the UPC. So this is Easter candies also. And then I got the peanut butter rich and chocolate jelly filled with creamy candies. I got 2 of this. And then the UPC is this. I got 2. And then I got the Reese's Mallow Top Chocolate. So I got 20 pieces of this. So this is a penny also. I got 20. And then this is the UPC. And the expiration is December of 2021. And then I got some treat bag, and this is a penny also. This is the UPC. So they only have 1 of this. I want to grab a lot of this, but there's only 1 left. And then I got also the foam sticker for a penny. And the UPC is this. And then I got also this egg decor. I got 3 of this. So I will keep this and for my daughter to use it next year. And the UPC is this. So these are all my penny items. So I got 60 items for 60 cents for everything. So that's a nice deal for candies. For sure the kids in our neighborhood will love this. And then I got also the Downy 34 ounce. So I did some mistake on this because I forgot to give my other coupon. There is $2 digital coupon that attached in the 34 ounce. So I grabbed 1 and I forgot to hand over my coupon. But still a nice deal because for 2 Downy, I only paid $3.90. And this is my receipt in my Dollar General haul. So here, so I got $1 for the Easter bag zip top and crunch egg. I got 4 of it, so it's 1 penny. Then the Cadbury, I got 3, so it's 3 pennies. And then I got 8 of the Tootsie Fan Bank and all the penny items here. Then I got 3 of the Easter egg decor. And then I got 20 pieces of the Reese's Mallow. So it's a penny also. So I paid 60 cents for the 60 items. And here are my Downy. So I paid $3.90 for 2. So my total are $4.75 including the Downy. And which is not a bad deal because look what I got. I got Arts and Craft itself, in which it's priced for $2. And I got some candies. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope everyone got a nice deal in Dollar General. In our area, it's very rare that Dollar General do a penny items or clearance. I don't know if they're lazy or they just don't want people to grab everything in the store, but we don't see a clearance tag in our in the Dollar General in our area. Like we have 3 Dollar General nearby in our area, but we don't see a clearance tag. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.